Last month, I spent hours scrubbing my bathroom tiles, only to step back and realize the grout still looked like a muddy disaster. It is incredibly frustrating to waste money on harsh chemicals that promise the world but barely lift surface dirt, leaving you exhausted. Finding a cleaner that actually works without ruining your tile is harder than it should be. Today, I am revealing the exact solutions that finally fix my tile nightmare, counting down to the absolute best one you cannot miss. 7. Miracle Sealants ZU104632. When I first poured this solution out to test it on my guest bathroom floor, I had high hopes given the brand's solid reputation in the floor care industry. The liquid has a relatively mild scent, which is a very welcome departure from the overpowering chemical odors you usually get with heavy-duty bathroom cleaners. It mixes easily with water in a standard bucket, and the overall application process is straightforward enough for any regular weekend household cleaning routine. However, my experience with its actual cleaning power left a lot to be desired when it came to difficult messes. As I worked the diluted solution into the older, more stubborn stains along the bathroom baseboards, it became apparent that this formula is designed primarily for light, everyday maintenance rather than tackling deep-set grime. I found myself applying significantly more elbow grease than I originally wanted to, scrubbing the exact same spots repeatedly with a stiff brush just to see a very slight, marginal difference in the coloration of the grout lines. The core problem really lies in its distinct lack of concentrated punch when dealing with high-traffic bathroom areas where soap scum and hard water stains continuously accumulate. Even after letting the product sit and penetrate the surface for the recommended amount of time, the chemical lifting action simply wasn't strong enough to break down the tough buildup that accumulates over several months. It is incredibly frustrating to go through the entire physical motion of deep cleaning only to wipe away the suds and see the original stains staring right back at you, as if nothing happened. 6. Zep ZU104632. Zep is a massive, heavyweight name in commercial cleaning spaces, so I fully expected this highly targeted formula to completely obliterate the dark discoloration in my primary shower stall. The product comes in a very convenient squirt bottle that makes it incredibly easy to aim the liquid directly onto specific, narrow grout lines, which is a fantastic design choice for precision work. When you first apply it, you can immediately see a slight foaming reaction, which initially gave me the impression that it was going to do all the heavy lifting on my behalf. Unfortunately, that initial spark of excitement faded pretty quickly once I got into the actual physical cleaning process. While it does contain strong bleaching agents that temporarily brighten the top surface layer of the grout, I found during my testing that it simply doesn't penetrate deeply enough to extract the root of the embedded dirt. I applied a thick, generous line of the Zep cleaner along my shower walls, let it sit for a few minutes exactly as instructed on the label, and then started scrubbing heavily with a stiff bristled detailing brush. The final visual results were incredibly uneven and frankly a bit disappointing. In some isolated areas, the grout looked noticeably lighter and refreshed, but in other patches, especially where the shower water hits the wall directly, the dark stains barely budged at all. Furthermore, the chemical smell of this product is aggressively strong and heavily acidic. I had to turn on the bathroom exhaust fan, open an adjacent window, and step out of the room multiple times just to be able to breathe comfortably while working in the enclosed shower space, which is a huge downside. 5. Miracle Sealants 511. I was initially a bit skeptical returning to this particular brand after my lackluster experience with their standard daily cleaner, but this specific 2-in-1 product genuinely surprised me during my testing phase. The unique concept of actively cleaning your tile while simultaneously fortifying its protective seal is a brilliant approach to long-term bathroom maintenance. When I used it on my porous natural stone vanity top, the application felt incredibly smooth, purposeful, and highly effective at removing daily messes. What I really appreciated about this specific product was how gracefully it handled everyday water spots and dried toothpaste splatters without stripping the existing expensive finish off the stone. As I wiped down the counter with a microfiber cloth, the liquid cut through the light grime completely effortlessly, leaving behind a noticeably refreshed and vibrant surface. You absolutely do not get that harsh, stripped-bare, squeaky feeling that some aggressively alkaline cleaners leave behind. Instead, the stone feels deeply nourished and flawlessly smooth to the touch. The active resealing aspect is where this product truly earns its high spot on today's list. I noticed that in the weeks immediately following my initial deep clean with this formula, water continued to bead up beautifully on the surface of my shower tiles rather than soaking in and causing dark, damp spots. This inherently means that your future cleaning sessions become significantly easier and faster, as ambient dirt and daily soap scum are actively prevented from anchoring themselves into the microscopic pores of your bathroom materials. While it still might not be the aggressively harsh stain destroyer you need for decades-old neglected floors, it bridges the gap perfectly between routine cleaning and professional preservation. 4. Quick Shine B0797D6 FQW. Sometimes you encounter a cleaning situation where you just need a reliable product that handles large, expansive floor spaces quickly and efficiently. And this cleaner absolutely delivers on that front without question. When I poured this ready-to-use solution directly into my spray mop reservoir to tackle the main master bathroom floor, I was immediately struck by its pleasant, incredibly clean scent that completely lacks that heavy, toxic chemical undertone. It genuinely makes the whole house smell fresh and inviting. During my intensive testing, I found that the Quick Shine formula really excels at instantly dissolving the sticky hairspray residue, cosmetic powders, and ambient dust that inevitably coats bathroom floors by the end of the week. I simply misted it generously over the ceramic tiles and ran a standard microfiber mop pad across the surface. The stubborn dirt lifted effortlessly onto the pad without requiring any heavy, exhausting scrubbing or forcing me to get down on my hands and knees. It literally felt like I was cutting my weekly floor cleaning time entirely in half. One of the absolute most impressive features I noticed during the drying phase was the completely streak-free finish it left behind. A vast majority of liquid floor cleaners leave a hazy, cloudy film or a distinctly sticky residue that immediately attracts new dirt the second you step on it with bare feet, but Quick Shine evaporated cleanly and perfectly. The tiles perfectly maintained their natural manufactured luster, looking impeccably bright and feeling perfectly smooth underfoot, which is exactly the pristine condition you want when stepping fresh out of the shower. 3. Scrubbing Bubbles Mega. Let me tell you right now, when it comes to tackling the difficult vertical surfaces of shower enclosure, this product is an absolute, undeniable game changer. I sprayed this thick, expanding foam onto the heavily soap-scummed glass doors and tiled walls of my guest bath, and the vertical clinging action is nothing short of incredible. Unlike thin liquid sprays that immediately run straight down the drain before they can even start working, this dense foam grips the walls tenaciously. Watching the thick foam slowly slide down the tile, while visibly pulling yellow dirt and soak grime with it, is a highly satisfying visual experience. I let it sit for the recommended 3 to 5 minutes, and I could actually see the bright white foam turning a slightly gray, murky color as it actively digested the hard water stains and natural body oils. The wide-angle spray nozzle effectively covers a massive surface area very quickly, meaning I coated my entire massive shower enclosure in a matter of mere seconds rather than suffering through endless, fatiguing trigger pulls. When it finally came time to wipe everything down, the sheer ease of removal absolutely blew me away. I took a standard damp sponge and lightly swiped across the wall tiles, and the thickly accumulated scum of the past month completely melted away without requiring any hard, aggressive scrubbing on my part. The clear shower glass, which usually requires a dedicated specialty glass cleaner and intense manual buffing, rinsed perfectly crystal clear with absolutely no streaks or hard water spots remaining behind. It completely eliminates the immense physical exhaustion typically associated with deep cleaning a bathroom shower. 2. Stardrops, the pink stuff. This massive viral sensation has taken the internet by complete storm over the last few years. And after putting it through the absolute ringer in my own home, I can confidently confirm that the immense hype is absolutely real. This mildly abrasive cleaning paste is a genuine miracle worker on heavily textured bathroom tiles and deeply stubborn grout stains that have confidently laughed at every other liquid cleaner on the market. Opening the tub, it has a surprisingly pleasant, slightly sweet and fruity scent that makes working with it quite enjoyable. To truly test its physical limits, I took a small dollop of the pink stuff on an old, stiff-bristled toothbrush and aggressively attacked a dark corner of my bathroom floor where accidental hair dye had deeply stained the highly porous grout several weeks ago. I applied a moderate amount of downward pressure, firmly working the thick pink paste deep into the narrow crevices. The extremely mild abrasives in the formula acted like microscopic sandpaper, gently but effectively lifting the dark pigment right out of the surface without scratching or dulling the surrounding glossy tile finish. The unmatched versatility of this paste is what really elevates it to the prestigious number 2 spot on this list. After successfully conquering the ruined floor grout, I immediately moved on to the stubborn hard water scale crusted heavily around my bathroom sink faucet base. I smeared the paste around the metal, let it sit for a brief moment, and easily wiped it away with a damp microfiber cloth. The crusty scale vanished instantly, leaving the chrome fixture blindingly shiny and looking brand new. 1. Clean-eez Grout-eez. When I tell you that this specific product completely transformed my entire perception of what a household cleaner can actually do, I am not exaggerating in the slightest. I had a significant section on my hallway bathroom floor where the original light gray grout had turned almost pitch black from years of heavy foot traffic and improper sealing practices. I had genuinely considered paying thousands of dollars to have the entire floor ripped out and professionally replaced before I finally tested this product as a last resort. The entire application process is incredibly user-friendly and highly efficient thanks to the included stand-up grout brush and the exceptionally smart bottle design. I applied a thin, direct line of the heavy-duty liquid straight into the blackened grout channels. Let it sit entirely undisturbed for the required 10 minutes, and then used the long-handled V-shaped brush to lightly agitate the area while standing up comfortably. The visual transformation was instantaneous and frankly jaw-dropping. Without needing to scrub aggressively or get down on my knees, the dark black sludge simply lifted out, bubbling up to the surface in a thick, easily removable slurry. I casually wiped the treated area clean with a damp terry cloth towel, and the grout underneath wasn't just slightly cleaner. It looked absolutely identical to the exact day it was originally installed over a decade ago. Grout-eez effortlessly cuts through heavy kitchen grease, deep dirt, and heavily embedded grime with a ferocious, unmatched power that absolutely no other retail product I have ever tested can even come close to matching. It completely and thoroughly stripped away all the compacted layers of buildup, beautifully restoring the bright, uniform, and pristine color of the grout lines across the entire room. Ultra. That's all for today.